Winter is an especially pretty season and one of the best times to visit Queenstown. Today, 2nd of July, a Winter Festival fireworks event is happening in town. As you can see, lots of traffic in Frankton Road and you all gonna see a huge crowd in a town. Say hello.
Hello. Exactly. I'm Bruna. This is Christina. She's from Ecuador. I'm from Brazil, and we're here
For what?
for a winter festival in Queenstown.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Once again I'm back and hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm with my friends in town and sorry guys. And this fireworks is for like kind of welcoming winter. This year, Queenstown Winter Festival has reestablished itself for 2021 as a Queenstown Welcome to Winter Festival 2021 and Winter Wonderland Christmas Market.
I do.
Okay, girl, I'm taking a video. Popcorn? Oh my god! This time is like a lot, like you know.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, what's that? But what she's doing? Flowers, man. It's a flower shop here. It's a real? No. It's a dry. Oh, it's so pretty.
Where's Christina? Yeah, do you know her? She got she's a YouTuber video.
No, not that famous. Just time pass, you know. In this market, they were selling local products of quality Christmas decorations, handicrafts, and food and beverage. And also, this market is creating a lively and satisfying environment in the classic Queenstown Mall. Just taking. Where we go? Okay, what we gonna do? Maybe we can stand here. Maybe we can sit here.
Yeah.
Oh, this time they really make it. You know?
Yeah.
Hello, what is this? Yeah, because normally, you know, when it's snowing, it's a Christmas time. But here, you know, just opposite, like. Louis!
I heard your voice. No.
Louis is my friend.
Hello.
Yeah. See, they are my workplace friend. Say hello. Oh, you gonna see in my YouTube, okay? Hey guys, you can see a lot of people coming to see the colorful fireworks. See, this time they make it more large and yeah. It's pretty. Let's go, girls. Let's go. My another friend from Fiji. Her name is Eva. You can go there.
Where?
Ah, there's the ferries. You want to take a pictures? You want to take a pictures? everywhere. want here or a little bit more?
Where is going to be?
Yeah, we can see anywhere. We just put
No. Where is going to be?
here. I don't know. You can sit there.
Yeah.
Just find the biggest place.
Everyone was like,
Here. There.
I always have one thing.
Come here. Guys, we are finding a place, proper place to see the fireworks clearly. The fireworks start at 7 p.m. and it's almost 7. Come on, cheer up. Maybe it's cold. Just take a video and upload. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Bruna. Now guess the color. Pink?
No.
What did it is? My ears, you know, like boom. Oh, this is like a planet. Woo, woo, woo. I love this. I love this. I really love this. One more time. One more. One more. Oh no. Like me. We finished watching fireworks and now we heading to the restaurant to have our dinner. So yeah guys, keep on watching. I'll see you. No hot dog.
Alright.
No, if they have chicken hot dog, it's fine, but they don't have.
No, they don't.
Actually able to go fast.
This is salsa.
Got a nut in there, got a bit of. Oh! Just want an encore, do you? Want a little bit more salsa?
What is the pop thing? See, we look so good at night, you know. Eva. Okay. How to? We are going to another restaurant because the before one, it's all full, lots of people and so busy. So we are trying to find the place where less people, not busy, so we can have our dinner. Huh?
Peacefully.
Yeah, peacefully and
Enjoy.
yeah, enjoy. So guys, see you in that restaurant. I don't know the name of restaurant, but which one?
Thai cuisine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our dinner for today. Hey, you also ordered same one?
Yeah.
Same? Did you like your soup?
No.
No more.
Small. Not enough for me.
Oh, sorry. We had our main course and now
It's dessert time.
dessert time. Oh wow, thank you. It's just a video. Say something. I don't know what to say.
Hello, we are city and the prison.
Have a hot chocolate. And did you guys enjoy?
Yeah, of course. We are having so much funny.
Okay.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed it. So much fun.
Yeah.
Nice
Let's go home. Guys, it's already 9:30, right? It's already 9:30 and we're going back to home.
No, it's only 9.
Oh, sorry. No, shh. They don't know. No. No. It's like a fun, you know. The fun, you know. You like. We really enjoyed the moment, and the town is freezing. It's really cold, but it's still, we make it, and we had our dinner sitting in the street. Yeah, that was so fun.
Yeah, frozen.
Yeah. Oh, drive carefully, yeah. I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching and loving my videos, guys. And I'm not that professional, but still I'm trying.
Give a thumbs up for her. Subscribe.
Yeah. So please don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna see you in next videos. Thank you.